Hi, so just a quick tutorial on how to install Yoast SEO plugin on WordPress. If you're a beginner, you can just follow along with this video. The easiest way to do this is just doing via your dashboard. So the first thing to do is go and log into your dashboard. I'm going to be doing that now. Alright, so once you're in the dashboard, you just need to go to plugins and then add new. Over here you cannot really find the plugin here, so you just need to go to the search bar and then type in Yoast. Yeah, so here's the plugin. It's by Team Yoast. Make sure you're choosing the correct one, and yeah, just need to click on install now. Now that is installed, just click on activate. Alright, so the first one over here, you have two options. One, if your site is live, you can click the first one. If not, then you can click the second one. I'm just gonna click on option A. Click next. Alright, so this is what does your site type. It's not really necessary, but then it's good to choose over here. So if you have an online shop, you can click that. If it's a blog, you can just click. I'm just gonna go to blog and click next. Alright, so here you need to fill in the details. If you're an organization, fill in the organization thing, and if you're not, then click on the person. I'm just gonna type in some dummy details for now. Alternatively, you can also provide your logo there. It does help in SEO, so you can. And then all your social media links over here, Facebook page, Twitter, whatever you have, you can just place it over here. It's not necessary to complete everything, but then whatever you have, you can type and then click next. Yeah, this is pretty important. You do want the posts and pages to be seen by Google, so you can press yes for both of them and then click next. If you have multiple authors or writers in your blog, you can click yes, but for now I'm just going to click no and then click on next. Alright, this is pretty standard. You can type your title over there or the website name, and you can leave it at the first operator there. Yeah, that symbol, that is fine, the dash, and click next. Yeah, so here this is just a upselling page, I guess. You just don't need to do anything. You can click next. Alright, so I missed something. So once you're done with the installation, you can pretty much go back to the features, and then I would suggest you to leave it with the default settings, but in case you would like to change, you can always explore these options, but for now just leave it like that. And in the webmaster tools, in the tab, you can actually click on each links here and then verify your search console or Yandex webmaster tools, and then save changes. And once you're done, you can actually go back to the post and click on add new. Right, so in your post page, you can pretty much go down and you would find the plugin here. Here's where you can edit the snippet, preview, and all of that. I'll make another detailed tutorial for all of that, but yeah, in basic, here's how you should actually install. Pretty much that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.